The dog, cock, and fox. A dog and a cock, traveling together, took shelter at night in a thick wood. The cock perched himself on a high branch, while the dog found a bed at the foot of the tree. When morning dawned, the cock, as usual, crowed very loudly. A fox, hearing the sound, and wishing to make a breakfast on him, came and stood under the branches, saying how earnestly he desired to make the acquaintance of the owner of so sweet a voice. "If you will admit me," said he, "I should very much like to spend the day with you." The cock said, "Sir, do me the favor to go round and wake up my porter, that he may open the door, and let you in." On the fox approaching the tree, the dog sprang out and caught him and quickly tore him in pieces. Those who try to entrap others are often caught by their own schemes,